Do you know why humans are part of the same family? Like birds hatching from the same nest, we are breathing the same air all the time.
We drink water coming from the same sky, looking upon the same sun, living together in this world since we are born to the last moment of our lives.
Why do we, brothers and sisters, have to fight even though we are not born as enemies?
We are not enemies,
We are truly
not each other's enemies. You know that we are not enemies, not each other's enemies. And you know that we all are not creatures that live on eating each other as food. We all share the same suffering of burden, sickness and pain. We are always led by Mara and live under the same love command. And that makes us very much different in some ways. Why do we all have to fight with each other? Why don't we fight with the real enemy that makes us suspicious of each other?
नमस्ते, मेरो नाम स्वेच्छा पाठक हो। म तारकेश्वर विद्याकुञ्ज इङ्ग्लिस सेकेन्डरी बोर्डिङ स्कुल कक्षा 6बाट। अनि त्यसपछि मलाई यो किताब चाहिँ धेरै राम्रो लाग्यो। अनि त्यसपछि मैले यो किताबबाट धेरै कुरा हासिल गरेँ। अनि त्यसपछि मैले यो किताबबाट चाहिँ धेरै कुरा हासिल गरेँ। अनि त्यसपछि केही कुराहरू नयाँ कुराहरू जान्ने अवसर अथवा मौका पाएँ। अनि त्यसपछि मैले यो किताबबाट चाहिँ बिहान आफूले गर्नुपर्ने डेली एक्टिभिटिजहरू बुझेँ, मैले आफ्नो कर्तव्य बुझेँ। अनि त्यसपछि पहिला मैले आफ्नो घरमा मम्मीहरूलाई अथवा आफ्नो घरमा क्लिन गर्नुपर्ने कुराहरू बुझ्दैन थिएँ भने अहिले मैले बुझ्छु। थ्याङ्क यू।
धन्यवाद। म तारकेश्वर विद्याकुञ्ज बोर्डिङ स्कुलको प्रिन्सिपल दीपक धिताल। मैले यसपालि विद्यार्थीहरूलाई यो वर्ल्ड पिस एथिक्स कम्पिटिसनमा भाग लिन लगाएँ। मेरा 100 जना विद्यार्थीहरूले यसपालि टेक पार्ट गरेर भाग लिइरहेका छन् र उनीहरूमा मैले रेगुलर रूपमा जब यिनीहरूले डायरी लेख्न थाले, बच्चाहरूले डायरी लेख्न थालेपछि बच्चाहरूको बानी व्यवहारमा बिहेभियरमा मैले धेरै परिवर्तन भएको देखेँ। र यस्तो किसिमको कार्यक्रमले विद्यार्थीहरूलाई रेगुलर कक्षामा हुने नियमित पढाइका अतिरिक्त विद्यार्थीहरूलाई यिनीहरूले एक किसिमले क्रिएटिभ धेरै जिज्ञासु र बनाएको मैले देखेँ। विद्यार्थीहरूले आफ्नो काम आफैले गर्न थालेका प्यारेन्ट्सहरूबाट पनि कमेन्ट्सहरू मैले सुने। त्यसैले म चाहन्छु धेरैभन्दा धेरै साथीहरूले आफ्ना विद्यार्थीहरूलाई यो कन्टेक्स्टमा भाग लिन लगाउनु भयो भने विद्यार्थीहरूमा गुणात्मक सुधार आउनेछ र यसले एकातिर हाम्रा विद्यार्थीहरूलाई आफ्नो काम आफै गर्ने बानी लाई सुधार गर्छ भने अर्कोतिर विद्यार्थीहरूमा अरूलाई सहयोग गर्नुपर्ने भावना, अरूसँग सिक्नुपर्ने कुरा, अरूलाई दोष दिने होइन, आफूले पनि रियलाइजेसन गर्ने कुराहरूमा विकास भएको मैले भेटाएँ। त्यसैले म साथीहरूलाई जे जति हामीले विद्यालय सञ्चालन गरिरहेका छौँ, विद्यालयमा काम गरिरहेका छौँ, सबै साथीहरूलाई धेरैभन्दा धेरै साथीहरूलाई यो प्रतियोगितामा विद्यार्थीहरूलाई सहभागी गराउन हुन अनुरोध गर्दछु। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone.
everyone. My name is Susmita Chan. I read in class 7. I am standing in front of you to share information about World Peace Ethic Contest and the Diary of Inner Peace. I am feeling very glad. I am feeling very glad to be the student of Subhakamana English Boarding School and to take part in World Peace Ethic Contest. First of all, by reading this book, I got a lot of knowledge, like we should help our mother, we should help our father, we should respect our seniors, we should love our juniors. By reading this book, I also got knowledge like we should not quarrel with our friends, we should always speak in English language. When I was in child, I used to think that we should not help others, but by reading that book, I help my friends to do their homeworks. I always speak in English. I read my books very sincerely and nicely. Thank you.
This program has definitely done a great job for our students. This program has taught the moral values to our students. They have even learned how to behave with seniors, how to behave with juniors. They have also learned how to behave with parents, and it has definitely changed their life values because it has definitely changed and helped the students and even the teachers to be a very good human being. And I feel that this kind of program has to be spread all over the country and all over the world so that it brings a message of goodwill, it brings a message of peace, and so that everyone becomes very happy. And I'm also very happy to be a part of this program, and I'll definitely convey this kind of message to the entire team of our school and to all the people that I know. Thank you so much.
Living together in this world since
we have been the part of World PEG exam since last 3 years, and this is our 3rd year, and then altogether there are 75 students being the part of World PEG exam 2019, and then we are very much glad to convey the world the message that through the exam of World PEG, the ethic values of students we have found in them have increased a lot. And then what I believe is, as they keep on studying these kind of books, they will directly as well as indirectly indulge themselves in practicing the good habits in their real life, practical life, and then that is how they will convey the same thing to the other people as well, and then they will keep on practicing same kind of behavior. They will portray same kind of behavior at their homes, not only in school as well. So what I believe is through this kind of effort, or through this kind of exams, or through this kind of active participation, students will develop moral values, ethical values in them. And then what I have experienced in them is that after reading the books, they have started sharing the moral values, ethical values, along with a lot of number of stories that relay other students the good moral values with their friends. And then what we have been practicing in our school is, in the morning assembly also, students have started sharing the stories from the books of World PEG exam. We have found good stories in them as well, good stories in the books of World PEG exam as well.
And I'm so happy that the people from Thailand are here to motivate and inspire my students. Some of the things what my students reported to me after going through the books, and they wrote the diary that was given to them. What they said is they learned so many moral ethics and values. And I think in today's world, where we are living in 21st century, I think moral values and the ethics are very essential in every individual's life, because I strongly believe if individuals will be good, the society will be good. If the society will be good, I think then the world will be good. And we want all the individuals, all the students around the globe to have good moral ethics, moral values, so that they will become good person to lead the nation and bring happiness in everybody's life. On behalf of AGM Secondary Boarding School, I would like to thank all the people from Thailand, those who came over here and helped the Nepalese students, because I strongly believe if we have very good moral values, I think definitely the students will learn so many things. They can be disciplined, they can be punctual, and they will follow each and every instruction given by the teachers and their parents.
नमस्कार सबैलाई म मोनिका महर्जन कक्षा 9 बाट यस किताबको मद्दतले गर्दाखेरि मैले मेरो जति पनि नराम्रो बानीहरू थियो त्यो सबैले राम्रो बानीमा परिवर्तन गर्ने मौका पाएँ। यस किताबको मद्दतले गर्दाखेरि मैले धेरै ज्ञान गुणका कुराहरू सिकेँ, जस्तै अरूलाई सहयोग गर्नुपर्छ, सानालाई माया गर्नुपर्छ, आमा बुवालाई माया गर्नुपर्छ, त्यस्तै खालको कुराहरू धेरै सिकेँ। यस किताबले गर्दाखेरि मैले आफ्नो जीवनलाई अझै राम्रो बनाउन सकेँ। धन्यवाद।
Have been implementing this book, World Ethics Peak Contest for the young for 2 years, and we have found that the students are being morally developed, as well as now the good acts has been already begun in our school. When we applied this book, it was completely new, but after we applied this book, the students are totally changed. We have found the drastic changes, like they share their things among each other. Even with the teachers, they were not interactive, but nowadays they are much interactive. They help their teachers. Even the guardians are so much happy with the school environment as well. And earlier they used to be confined within the subject book only, but nowadays when you apply this book, and the students could help their parents as well, even in the home, like in the kitchen, even in the garden, and in school. They have found that the students are very much inspiring because they have learned the moral values, as well as they are well behaved and disciplined as well. Thank you.
That makes us suspicious of each other, and peace cannot yet appear this world. World that will help us understand all of these. World that has the answer.
Congratulations and celebrations. We know you could do it. Congratulations and celebrations.